Get him. Get him. Get him. Oh, I can't wait to see this. Chuck, this is for you. Amanda, get ready.
Either the sheriff's department budget has really gone downhill and this is their new ballistic shield, or someone's about to get snatched. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Mikey Mo, and today we are going to talk about why we as officers have job security like no other. October 16th, 2020, deputies responded to a call of an intoxicated man on the beach drinking wine from a box.
I'm classy.
Oh, Cardi. Yes, you are. Upon their arrival, he said,
Bye, Felicia.
And with wine in hand, retreated to the water to avoid arrest. He refused to come out of the water even with the Marine units on scene. So the decision was made to clear the units from the beach as the subject continued yelling, proclaiming that he had won. Well, the star man don't get paid to lose, so Deputy Bishop and his partner used the tools available to conceal their movements, and well, they got him. Unfortunately for the deputies, this man's IQ is probably around the same number as his blood alcohol content.
A sick burn.
And they were able to pull this off. I couldn't help but think to myself as I started watching the video that there is no way that this is going to work, but yet here I stand corrected. And for that, I applaud you. Excellent work, deputies. So here's where I'm going to end today's video. If you enjoyed it, do me a huge favor and slap a like on it, and maybe share it with a friend. If you want to keep up to date on my content, consider hitting that subscribe button and join me on Instagram for in-between content of the videos that I actually put out on YouTube. Big news is on the horizon, and if all goes well, I think you're going to be really happy, so make sure to stick around. I hope everyone is doing really well, and until the next one, take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.